From Fox bodies to the S197, ditch your flimsy stamped steel diff cover and upgrade to Steeda's finned aluminum diff cover for increased performance and better cooling. So this is our finned rear diff cover for any 86 to 2014 Mustang. Now this was actually OEM equipment from the 11 to 13 GT500s or the 12 to 13 Boss Mustangs. So what is this? What does it do? Why is it better? Why do I need it on my Mustang? Quite simply, the factory one is a stamped, really thin steel diff cover. It doesn't do anything except for keep the oil inside the rear end. This unit though, it's cast aluminum. It's actually going to be stronger than that stamped steel cover that you could really kind of just bend and flex with your hands. But it doesn't stop there. The fin design is going to allow the diff cover to dissipate the heat from your rear end. So especially if you're tracking your car, you're going to generate a lot of heat in the rear end. This helps keep it cool, helps extend the bearing life, the gear life, your limited slip, your torsion life. A lot of benefits there. The other thing is you've got your fill and your drain plug. Those are both magnetic. So if you do start to get some gear wear, bearing wear, that magnetic drain and fill plug is going to capture those particles. So when you go to change your fluid, you're actually going to be removing that metal out of there. Now it comes with grade 8 hardware. Install is really simple. You're looking at maybe a half hour, 45 minutes. Take the old cover off, scrape off any gasket, and go ahead and get this bolted up and top it off with some fresh fluid. But like I said, just a simple remove and replace. Now it does come with a plug for the top because on those GT500 and Boss Mustangs, they actually vented the rear end through the top of the differential. If you've got any other application, it's going to be vented from one of your axle tubes, so you just thread that plug in there on the top. Like I said, installation is very simple, just a little R&R, remove and replace. And like I said, for such a simple, inexpensive item, it really does do a lot for protecting the rear end of your Mustang there. Like I said, it's going to dissipate the heat, it's going to add some strength to it, and yeah, just doesn't get any easier than that. If you like what you saw, check us out on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, at the end of the day, Steeda, where speed matters.